4-hour bus ride out of the city into the rolling hills of Dubai leaves us at the roadside with nothing but sand dunes as far as the eye can see. Our driver smartly parks with his wheels on the solid side of the roadway. He doesn't want to get stuck out here in the middle of nowhere. We unpack our gear and begin the long hour-and-a-half trek out to our filming location for sunset. It is amazing what you find in the desert. Now remember, the photo pills, with the sun selected and you've got the right date, we get all the information we really need, like the golden hour, sunset, and of course the blue hour. We know all the positioning data now. We know where the sun will be. We know the peak that our camel's sitting at, and we know where we need to stand in the desert to get all three aligned. So here's our camel and guide resting after the shoot. Remember, the camel and our guide had to get up very early to meet us at our filming location. As the day gets longer, you can tell by the shadows, the sunset is very soon, so be patient. We want to be at our location, out in the desert, looking back as our camel driver and the camel on their peak just as the sun begins to set. Climbing up the mound, our camel has posed for his photo shoot with the setting sun directly over his shoulder. As the sun sets, quickly grab the shot that you have been waiting for, because the physical alignment is so precise. Just one step to the right or left affects your shot. I was lucky enough to catch a frame with a small airplane in the background. I hope you've enjoyed our precision photography photo shoot here in the lone deserts of Dubai.